It's stocking time at the A.E. Wood Fish Hatchery. The hatchery raises thousands and thousands of rainbow trout. And in the winter, they're loaded up and off to the Guadalupe River.
There go the fish. There they go.
Each stocking, we put out 2,200 rainbow trout. They're divided up on all the stocking sites that we have. The phone calls always come in during trout season. Everybody's wanting to know when we're stocking certain water bodies, especially the canyon tail rays.
There you go, fly guy.
Hey, there we go.
One of the reasons why rainbow trout are possible on the Guadalupe River just below canyon tail race is because when they dammed up the Guadalupe River, it actually enabled the water temperatures to stay cool year-round. Anytime that we go to one of these stockings, the fishermen follow.
You see the tiniest little movement. There he is. And I just love catching these fish. Ooh. They'll jump, they'll run, they'll do everything for you. It's a blast. I love getting in the water with them. I got 3 pair of waders in the car, and here I am in my jeans soaked.
I'm just using power bait right now. Yep, we got her. Okay, we're ready to go fishing. Come on, take it. Thank you. Thank you. That's how you catch a fish.
We used to catch these in Canada. This is where I'm from. So this is a real treat for me.
Yep.
Ooh,